He's going. A few people have asked me about my bike and what I've done to it, different mods and what it is, and it's pretty unique. So I thought I'd just make a video just going over some of the mods and some of the things I do with it. Just an overview. So first of all, it's originally it's a year 2000 Monster, Ducati Monster 900, fuel injected. It's got a dry clutch, very standard air-cooled frame, all very switch and swap between the smaller air-cooled Monsters parts-wise. So it started as a black street Monster, and then we decided to turn it into a dual sport. So it's got a Marzocchi Magnum 50mm front end from a Husqvarna. I think a 360 Husqvarna, not too sure, but because of the Monster's stem, custom triple had to be made, CNC'd up, so that's all custom. It's got a Blackbird front brake, triple piston from it's a piston from with that bracket to make it fit onto that the Husky forks. The swing arm with my one sticker there. A 950 Adventure KTM. That just slot right in, just with a couple of washers, so that was easy. But to make it a little bit more suited for dirt, we decided to, when we were doing the mid plate, the mids, to make this plate have the swing arm bolt go through the plate as well. So the swing arm is connected to the frame by the plate. It gives it a lot more strength if you're doing a jump and you're landing a bit sideways, so you won't crack the engine block. That's pretty useful. It's got an Olin shock, fully adjustable Olin shock in the back, and a plate was welded between the subframe here so the shock could sit onto it. It's got a little bash plate that I made up, nothing special, just a pretty minimal one, because I don't like the way the big ones look, and since it's an air-cooled Ducati Monster engine, it gets pretty hot, so I figured the smaller the bash plate, the better for air circulation. So let's have a quick closer look. So these are the front forks, as you can see, just your standard, not upside down. I personally prefer them. Seals are shot, so I'm going to have to fix those. Yeah, the wheel needs some truing as well from thrashing it a bit. Got a little toolkit here with some of the basic stuff in there. The old Monster fairing on the front, phone holder naturally, an Acewell Speedo. Oh, better turn it off. Bark busters, the usual. Lucky Explorer sticker as a throwback to the Kajiva elephants that have the same motor. So there's the swing arm. There's the Olins in there, and underneath up here you can see the plate that I've had to get welded in there to hold the shock. Dual exhausts. Sounds good. Here's the other side. Nothing really to show you on the other side, but a quick overview of the bike. I take it anywhere you'd take a lightweight or mid-sized dual sport. It tears up the trails, just pulls in front of anyone on the straights, but when you get into the real technical stuff, it's where it falls down because it's so big. It's a massive bike. I'm 6'3" and I can only just touch the ground, so it's a bit top heavy that way. She's absolute fun to ride, and I don't think I'll ever go back to just normal dirt bikes, normal enduros. It's just so good hearing that sound and having that power delivery. I think about 80 horsepower or so. So it's no mean machine, but 80 is definitely more than you need on the dirt. So here we go. The Ducati Monster 900 Dual Sport. Catch you later. Oh, before I go, I thought you might want to hear it, so I'll turn her on. Hear that dry clutch? Sounds good, don't it?